No edits, no jam. Get it? Low budget YouTuber. Doing unboxing here. It's the Gerber. I was looking for a box cutter, and I found this in the box cutter section, in the hardware section. So it looks like it's called the Gerber Edge Clip Folding Utility Knife, and the Gerber EAB Light Clip Folding Knife. All right. So you're not going to open it unless you access the back. You need a utility knife to open the back. It's ridiculous. And this little, I like this. This is so you don't overcut. And you just put a little screw in here, or a dime, little penny. And there's a screw that keeps the blade in. Extremely, extremely tight. No play at all. Inside lock. Push it over. It closes down. Really nice. And then it has a really ultra strong clip right here. You can use that as a money clip also. And then just to open it, really, really, this is the nicest box cutter I've ever had in my entire life. I'll show you why I bought it. And then the other one here, it's the same thing, but this one has, you pull these little nubs, you hold, and it unlocks. Ooh, unlocks here in the back, and then you can just simply pull it out. And then lock it in. Same thing. Same thing. It's a little oily. That's, so I don't mind. But there's no play. It's one of the, it's the best box cutter I've ever bought in my entire life. Same thing. It has a little inside lock. I got these for skin and deer. The big one, this one I'm gonna use for skin and deer and fish. I think I can do fish. But I have a piece of fat wood here. All right, another 2 more minutes here. I'll show you why I bought this little knife. When I go camping, the box knife, the utility knife, has always been my camping knife. Cuts rope the fastest, right? Cuts everything the sharpest. Sharp knife is a safe knife, okay? So this is just fat wood. And I learned this from a beaver. You're just sitting around the camp. You can go a million flowers. You can go real deep. You can go real light. You just press on the back with your thumb. It's doing all the work. I'm not even cutting. I'm just... And it has this perfect flat piece. Yeah, this is my all-time favorite camp knife. I'll buy a whole bunch of these for the rest of my life. Okay, so it's just... And it's interchangeable blades. And then you can just flip it over too, and you got a brand new blade. Ooh, beautiful little flower here. So of course, in a situation, you want to collect all these little pieces that fall off. But what I'm building is an ultra match. But I learned this from the beaver. I seen a tree that was nibbled around and around and around. It fell over. And I thought, well, if I could nibble around. Ooh. Okay, if I can just nibble around. Look at that, that's so nice. You can break logs. So all these little pieces. I call this little flower. And I light it, and it's too big. Too big to control inside this little trailer. So. Or you can just get a whole bunch of safe little. You got a little candle right here too. Bam! Thanks for joining me.